Okay, my name is Ji Gang Kim, the director of Kopia Kenya Center. Today we are holding the potato training to encourage farmers learn potato cultivation technology and also post-harvest management technology. Okay, so far we focused on increasing production yield in this area. So they learned how to improve potato cultivation technology. But to maintain quality is very important to uh, become a famous potato village. So this time we are focusing on both cultivation technology and post-harvest management. Okay, so far this village they used to sell their potatoes to middlemen, but since we advertise this village and they improve their cultivation technology and also they produce high quality. Now some buyers are visiting the village to purchase the potatoes from here. So later, when they produce high quality potatoes and when they have good technology to maintain the quality, then they may have more buyers from neighboring countries too. Yeah. Okay, through training, farmers could learn improve the cultivation technology, so they could increase yield of potatoes. But now they realize that uh, maintaining quality is also important. Then they can get they can sell their products at a fair price. So now they are managing quality also. Okay, now since we have model village with Kateri village, we are training them. Then later, if this area is become a high quality potato production area, then other neighboring farmers will join. Now we are developing this Kateri village into premium potato production village. Later, we have a plan that include neighboring potato village, so they can join these potato cooperatives. Then we can hold a training to let them improve potato cultivation or post-harvest technology. That is our plan.
Kwa marĩtwa mbĩtagwo Julius Ntoitonga, ndĩ afisa wa agriculture na livestock kĩrĩ thirikari ĩjĩ yetu ya Meru County and Governor Mutuma Ntwethinkia, na mbugi nĩ bwega sana jontu natwete kanya gakanene muno muno kumba gwitara arĩmi betu ngugi na muno muno ngugi ĩrĩa nene tũbaritagĩra nĩ kũbathomithia nĩkenda bakomba kuongera ũrĩmi bwao, na aru jara tũkwarĩria ntuku ĩjĩ nĩ mantu jakonie ũrĩmi bwa waru aja katheri na ũrĩmi bobo nĩ burĩkĩtie kũgwatwo mbaru nĩ murandi jwĩtagwa Kopia kuma thirikari ĩrĩa ya South Korea. Murandi ũyũ wambĩrĩrie mwaka wa 2020 na kuma mwaka wa 2020 ituonete wongerereku bwa gũciarithania kwaci. Tukiambĩrĩria mwaka wa 2020 twathithirie mathomo kana twathia study tuona arĩmi betu barutaga tani inyaki kĩrĩka ĩmwe, na mwaka wa 2022 miaka ithatu akinyuma yau arĩmi betu ibambĩrĩire kũrita nguruki ya tani 7.6 au ikuonekana ibongerere maciaro ja waru, na muno nguruki maciaro jaja jongerekere waru ira turija methene jontu kwina waru ira chuma uciaro tukela twitwo waru tunini muno tura tutumba gwita thokone na ndi tuone waru ira ikwendeka thoko nicio cienderere kuongereka. Arĩmi betu ni baitanĩtwo mantu ja kugitira mirimo ya waru, ibaitanĩtwo gutumira mbeu itena mirimo, ibaitanĩtwo kinya ura bakaugira miunda yao bate gutumira ndawa inthuku ira chumba kuthukia mifugo yao kana chumba kubathukia babongwa, ibaitanĩtwo safe use na ura bagatumira na kugira ndawa nikenda afya ciao ciketha ciri njega. Na muthiene kira tuonete kumana na uritani bobo bwa waru ni kwethera murimi no ongerete faida muciine. Tukiambĩrĩria mwaka wa 2020 murimi onaga ungiri faida ya ngiri 53 kĩrĩka ĩmwe, lakini tukinya mwaka wa 2023 2024 murimi ndarakinya na ukinyia nkurukia 73,000 iria kuona kiri eka imwe ya kurima waru.
Marieto mbetawa Nicholas Muriungi, mpumite Meru, ndauma Katheri location, sub location igweta Mwira Ng'ombe. Aja ujo tugwita Katheri Model Village, na nyuma yetu twina social area batwe arimi ba Ikwachi na kinyati Ikwachi ake ni imera bionde no to murimi wa Ikwachi no murimi wa biu bingi tumba gucemania tukomba kuritano na tukomba gwitithia na mbere urimi bwetu na arua intuko yetu iria nene iria tukuga ipotato promotion day yetu na ara tukwenda gukiria urimi bwa Ikwachi biria twithirite tukirima na aja uju itwithirite twina changamoto nyingi especially riria muntu arima Ikwachi na tikumenya na aria akendia na ikio gitumi batwija arimi ba Katheri tumbite kugwatana amwe tukwenda nae kwambiria wendia bwa Ikwachi timirwa ake lakini turenda kuthithia wendia bwa Ikwachi kwendagia nthiguru yonthe na kinya Murungu atethia tomba kumara o me nthiguru no bwega.
Rietwa riakwa mbitawa Masi wa Gitonga kuma Katheri Model Village in Meru Central Abothugushi West Katheri. Na iji ntuku nene muno ya arimi ba Katheri Model Village iria twijite aja ni untu bwa kuthoma kana kugwirirua turi amwe mantu ja urimi bwetu bwa Meru na inkugwirua ni untu kimera kiria tukwariria ntuku ena ari mantu ja Ikwachi na ituritani mono kuma kiri Kopia Kenya amwe na thirikari yetu ya Meru County ibatwete training nyingi au kanyuma na narua turi aja eri promotion day yetu tugwiranirua turi amwe na tuthoma nkuruki mantu jegi urimi bwa Ikwachi.
Marieto mbeta mborunga ntoikiugo Ikwachi ri twaketha itugiaga challenges cia thoko mono no ndu thoko kuri andu beja gutugurira from outside na batugurira Ikwachi bigikairwa Ikwachi nkunia gikairwa nyomwera nkunia ne mono lakini tukuritanwa aja ni Kofia iturombirwo faidika no ndu ibaturetere inya nkunia cia kuthima kilo na ndi itutethekete mono no ndu tutikwendia ura turendagia Ikwachi bite na kithimi